Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Celestron AstroMaster 70Us telescope. This is a powerful and user-friendly refractor telescope with fully coated glass optics, a sturdy yet lightweight frame, 2 eyepieces, a red dot finder scope, and an adjustable height tripod. This Celestron telescope features a powerful, fully coated 70mm glass optic objective lens. Direct image optics allow you to observe celestial objects at night and terrestrial targets like wildlife and landscapes during the day. This telescope for adults features a lightweight frame and a panning handle with all-touch control for smooth and accurate pointing. Setup is quick and easy, with no tools required. A favorite first telescope for beginners, the AstroMaster 70Us refractor offers sharp, detailed views of Saturn's rings, Jupiter's moons, and more. It's the easiest way to discover the night sky. Our second best telescope under $200 is GSkyer 70mm refracting telescope. A balance between affordable and performance are two of the most important aspects to consider before purchasing any telescope. The GSkyer Instruments Infinity 70mm telescope manages to do exactly that, an affordable for a high-quality telescope. The visual resolution and optical capabilities are top tier for the low-end affordable. Assembly is not overly complicated and beginner-friendly. The aperture diameter divided by the focal length calculates the magnifying power of a telescope. The GSkyer possess a 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length, which results in precise and high-resolution images. The telescope is compact and portable. A 3x Barlow lens, 25mm, 10mm eyepiece and finder scope all offer varying levels of magnification. The magnification from 16x to 120x and provides clear, up-close images of birds, wildlife, distant treetops, as well as the moon, planets, and some star arrangements. It comes with everything you need to get started with astronomy. Third pick in our list is Celestron Powerseeker 127 EQ telescope. This is one of the best reflector telescopes for beginners. This great package features a 127mm aperture telescope at a competitive price, making it perfect for those hunting for an instrument that allows the skywatcher to dabble in observing the solar system and deep sky targets without investing a great amount of money. You will be able to see craters on the moon, Jupiter and its moons, Saturn and its rings and much more. This telescope comes with 2 eyepieces, a 20mm and 4mm, which work with the optical system to produce magnifications of 50x and 250x. There's also a 3x Barlow lens for tripling the magnification on the eyepieces. Being a reflector scope, it will only be usable for astronomical purposes, but with the specialization comes spectacular celestial nighttime viewing. Number 4 in our side is Celestron 70mm travel scope. This Celestron 70mm travel scope features high-quality, fully coated glass optics, a potent 70mm objective lens, a lightweight frame, and a custom backpack to carry it all. Its quality is unmatched in its class and against competitors. This telescope for astronomy beginners is equipped with 2 high-quality eyepieces, 20mm and 10mm, that provide low and high-power views of celestial objects at night and terrestrial objects during the day. This telescope refractor telescope is equipped with a large 70mm aperture objective lens that provides enhanced, brighter views compared to the 50mm model while adding very little additional weight. Setting up and using the travel scope is quick and easy. This Celestron telescope and full-height tripod can be taken anywhere in the included travel backpack. Accessories also include a free download of one of the top consumer-rated astronomy software programs. For details, let's watch more.
Embark on a voyage of discovery with your family with Celestron's best-selling Powerseeker equatorial mount telescopes. These telescopes come with everything you need to get started with astronomy, including a tripod, a finder scope, 2 eyepieces, and a Barlow lens, which triples the power of each eyepiece. The equatorial mount is a favorite of amateur astronomers because it makes it easier to track objects as they appear to move across the night sky. Choose the optical tube that's right for you, from the compact Powerseeker 60 EQ with grab-and-go convenience to the large Powerseeker 127 EQ with more light-gathering ability. Every Powerseeker offers great views of the moon and planets. A larger model will provide more detailed views and help you enjoy fainter deep sky objects like star clusters and nebulae. When you're out under the stars, use Celestron's free Sky Portal mobile app for iOS and Android to locate objects in the night sky. Center the object in the finder scope and it's ready to view. As you observe, listen to Sky Portal's audio descriptions for the most popular objects. Happy stargazing!
Number 5 in our top 5 best telescope under $200 list is Solomark 70mm Astronomy Refractor Telescope. This telescope provides erect image optics, perfect for terrestrial and astronomical use. The fully multi-coated optics glass lens with high transmission coatings creates stunning images and protect your eyes. Its 70mm aperture and 700mm focal length telescope has 10mm and 20mm plus eyepieces. The magnification is 70x and 35x. Plus eyepiece have better optical performance than K and H eyepieces. Effectively reduce chromatic aberration and halo. The mount comes with 2 slow motion control cables that allow you make fine pointing adjustments to the telescope in both R, A, and declination. Provide professional astronomical telescopes. In order to save your time, our telescope can be installed without any additional tools, and truly realize no tool set telescope. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.